Hi, I'm author Greg Zschomler, and I'm here at the Coastal Interpretive Center in Ocean Shores to show you my book, Louie, the Lonely Lighthouse. So I wrote a couple of years ago. It was illustrated by Roxanne Bowman, who then lived in Florence, Oregon, and now lives in Belize. And she's wonderfully illustrated this book. It's modeled her illustrations are modeled after several Oregon and Washington lighthouses. And this is a story about a forgotten lighthouse. It's a relic. It's in a time of decommissioning of lighthouses, and he no longer feels valuable. So in one dark and stormy night, when all GPS and those tools that we have today that are modern go out, he saves the day by shining his light brightly and realizes that he's not such a relic after all and is important in life. And I wrote it as a kind of an illustration of how our own lives are, how sometimes we feel forgotten, lost, and without that we're not needed. And as an author, you sometimes feel that way when you put your work out there and it might not be well accepted. But this is a book that has been well accepted around the country. It is at the National Lighthouse Museum in Staten Island, as well as several other locations along the coasts of America. And we're just happy to have it here in Ocean Shores at the Interpretive Center because this is where I live now. I live out here in Aberdeen, and I just love this area. And I like to help people with my books, and this is just one of them that you can get. So you can purchase my book at the Interpretive Center or at their website, interpretivecenter.org. And come on out and check it out.